Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a dynamic side lunge to help open up the inner thighs, the hip flexors, and around the knee. So what you're going to do is take a wide stance, toes are facing forwards, and then you're just lunging to the side, keeping this leg straight how it is, and the butt back like how it is. Hold for a second, then bring it back to this side. All the way, yep, good. Butt back, knees back, good. And then all the way back to the other side. So it's about a 1 second hold. So the difference between a dynamic and a static stretch is dynamic means moving. Static stretch is just held still. Static stretches are great for after the workout, not before. So keep doing that. I'm going to grab a weight and show you how I can make it harder. So now hold on to this, keep it close to your body. Good. So now you can feel a little bit more of a stretch because as you lean, you can feel more of a stretch, correct? It's holding you down. Perfect. Good job.